Well, hello everyone and welcome to this Hiver tutorial for beginners. If you want to try Hiver yourself, you can go ahead and use my link down below in the description to book a free demo and see how it can improve your team's email management. Your journey begins by connecting the collaboration layer directly to your primary corporate email system. Because this software operates natively within Google Workspace, you do not need to install heavy desktop programs or open a completely separate browser tab to manage your queues. Instead, your first move is to seek out the main integration gateway by heading directly to the Google Workspace Marketplace or accessing the installation portal on the official website. Locate the primary action button to install the browser extension. The system will prompt you for administrative permissions to securely link your corporate account. Once you grant authentication, refresh your primary browser window. You will instantly notice a complete shift in your layout. Your standard view now features a brand new integrated Hiver management panel embedded cleanly right alongside your traditional inbox folders. This specialized sidebar serves as your central control station for configuring every single collaborative feature across your entire company network. Step 1. Create your first shared box. With the extension successfully active, it is time to build your first collaborative channel. Open up your newly integrated management panel and select the primary action command to initialize a new channel. The action opens up the shared inbox creation wizard, which walks you through the structural setup of your collaborative stream. First, navigate to the inbox details form and input the exact public-facing email alias your customers write to, such as support, sales, or info at your company domain. The system's underlying architecture will ask you to choose between connecting a standard Google group or setting up a direct email forwarding rule. For the absolute cleanest connection, select the Google Group option. Connect your credentials and watch the system instantly sync. This process turns that standalone corporate email stream into an active, collaborative channel visible right inside your private workspace sidebar. Step 2. Inviting team members and allocating access permissions. An email channel is only truly collaborative when your team can access it safely. Once your shared address is verified, the setup wizard advances you straight to the user management and team directory. This dashboard allows you to control exactly who can view, reply to, and manage incoming messages within the newly created channel. To grant access, move your cursor to the user invitation field and type in the official workspace email addresses of your team members. The system validates their account instantly. Before finalizing the invitations, look at the adjacent access controls and role selector. This setting matrix allows you to designate team members as standard users or channel administrators. Standard users can view and reply to items, while administrators retain the right to alter channel rules, pull performance analytics, and add or remove team members. Assign your roles precisely, hit confirm, and your team will instantly receive an automated access pass on their private sidebars. And step 3 is mastering task assignment and accountability. Now that your channel is fully built and your team is onboarded, let's look at how to manage incoming consumer traffic smoothly. When a customer sends an inquiry to your shared address, the email hits the workspace and generates a shared notification visible to everyone on the team. To prevent two employees from accidentally answering the same email, you must utilize the task status and ownership panel located directly inside the open message header. At this stage of this guide, it's critical to emphasize that mastering this specific ownership workflow is what completely eliminates internal miscommunications and missed client messages. So if you want to try Hiver yourself, you can go ahead and use my link down below in the description to book a free demo and see how it can improve your team's email management. When you open a shared message, look for the drop-down menu labeled Assignee. Click this menu to display your live team directory. Select a specific team member's name to instantly grant them sole ownership of that conversation thread. The system instantly updates the email status from unassigned to open and pins the owner's initials to the message card. This lets everyone else in the workspace know that the issue is being handled, bringing total transparency to your queue. Step 4 involves collaborating behind the scenes with private notes. One of the absolute most powerful features of this shared box infrastructure is the ability to consult with your colleagues on complex customer issues without ever sending an internal forward or opening a separate chat app. To deploy this strategy, look directly below the active email thread for the tab labeled Email Notes and Internal Chat window. This text field functions as a completely private scratchpad layered directly over the customer's email. When you type a question, paste a link to a help document or use an @mention to tag a specific team member inside this box and hit submit. The text displays as a highlighted yellow note right inside the conversation stream. The customer can never see these internal comments. They are visible strictly to authorized users inside your shared inbox. This allows your team to troubleshoot technical problems, share background data, and draft perfectly synchronized responses completely behind the scenes before ever hitting the official send button. Step 5 involves setting up views and custom workspace organization. As your incoming email volume grows, your shared workspace sidebar can become highly active. To keep your workflow organized, you must learn to navigate the custom views and labels directory located within your main sidebar. The system automatically creates default smart folders that categorize messages by status, including unassigned, mine, open, and closed. To optimize your daily routine, select the Mine folder to instantly screen out the noise of the rest of the company and focus strictly on the specific client tickets assigned to your name. Furthermore, you can utilize the Tag Management console to create custom color-coded labels like High Priority, Billing Issue, or Tech Bug. Applying these tags to your shared threads allows your team to filter, sort, and prioritize their response queues dynamically, ensuring that high-value client issues are always handled first. For step 6, we'll be focusing on automating workflows with smart rule triggers. To scale your operations efficiently, you can remove manual steps entirely by automating the platform's routing system. Open up your main extension settings and select the SLA and Automation Rules Builder. This advanced interface allows you to build simple, logic-based triggers to manage your incoming mail automatically. For example, you can create a rule that states, if an incoming email contains the keyword invoice or pricing, then automatically tag it with the billing label and assign it straight to your accounting manager. You can also set up strict SLA countdown clocks that flag an email as overdue if it sits unassigned for more than 2 hours. Programming these automated triggers allows the platform's background algorithm to organize your workspace for you, entirely removing human error from your triage pipeline. With your shared inbox, team parameters, and automations fully configured, your collaborative workspace is ready for live operations. Before processing your first live week, run a quick audit by opening the channel status dashboard in your settings panel. Verify that your forwarding rules are entirely green. Double-check that your team members have successfully accepted their directory invite, and ensure your private email signatures are correctly configured so your individual names appear clearly when replying from the shared address. Replying to a customer through this secure layout automatically channels the outbound mail through your company's official servers, ensuring your brand identity remains professional, fully authenticated, and safe from spam filters. In conclusion, setting up a highly organized shared inbox comes down to establishing a clear digital layout and using built-in ownership tools to bring absolute clarity to your company communications. By utilizing the installation wizard to link your group aliases, assigning clear email owners to eliminate duplicate replies, utilizing private internal notes to collaborate smoothly, and building smart automation rules, you can completely transform your team's daily productivity. So if you want to try Hiver yourself, you can go ahead and use my link down below in the description to book a free demo and see how it can improve your team's email management. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.